During photosynthesis, what is the primary pigment responsible for capturing light energy? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotenoids. C. Xanthophiles. D. Phycocyanin. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment that absorbs light energy during photosynthesis in plants. Which of the following is not a macronutrient essential for plant growth? A. Nitrogen. B. Potassium. C. Iron. D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is C. Iron is a micronutrient required by plants for various physiological processes, but it's not a macronutrient. What is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy? A. Respiration. B. Fermentation. C. Photosynthesis. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is C. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. Which plant growth regulator is responsible for cell elongation and growth towards light, or phototropism? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Gibberellin. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is A. Auxin is a plant hormone that regulates cell elongation and growth responses such as phototropism. Where does the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis take place in plants? A. Chloroplast stroma. B. Chloroplast thylakoid membranes. C. Mitochondria. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is B. The light-dependent stage of photosynthesis occurs in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Which mineral nutrient is important for chlorophyll synthesis in plants? A. Potassium. B. Calcium. C. Magnesium. D. Sulfur. The correct answer is C. Magnesium is a crucial mineral nutrient required for chlorophyll synthesis in plants. What is the role of gibberellins in plant growth and development? A. Promote flowering. B. Inhibit root growth. C. Induce leaf senescence. D. Increase seed dormancy. The correct answer is A. Gibberellins are plant hormones that promote flowering, seed germination, and stem elongation. Which of the following is a process where excess water is lost from plant leaves in the form of vapor? A. Translocation. B. Transpiration. C. Transduction. D. Translocation. The correct answer is B. Transpiration is the process by which excess water is lost from plant leaves through stomata, in the form of vapor. Which of the following plant growth regulators is responsible for promoting fruit ripening? A. Auxins. B. Cytokinins. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellins. The correct answer is C. Ethylene is known as the ripening hormone in plants. Where does the light-independent stage of photosynthesis take place in plants? A. Thylakoid membrane. B. Stroma. C. Grana. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is B. The Calvin cycle, the light-independent stage of photosynthesis, takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. Which mineral nutrient is essential for nitrogen fixation in leguminous plants? A. Phosphorus. B. Potassium. C. Iron. D. Molybdenum. The correct answer is D. Molybdenum is required by nitrogen-fixing bacteria in leguminous plants to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. What is the plant growth regulator responsible for promoting seed dormancy and inhibiting germination? A. Gibberellins. B. Abscisic acid. C. Cytokinins. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is B. Abscisic acid plays a crucial role in seed dormancy and germination inhibition. Which of the following nutrients is a micronutrient, required in small amounts, but crucial for enzyme activation in plants? A. Nitrogen. B. Potassium. C. Zinc. D. Calcium. The correct answer is C. Zinc is an essential micronutrient for activating various enzymes in plants. What is the primary function of cytokinins in plant growth and development? A. Promote cell elongation. B. Inhibit apical dominance. C. Stimulate cell division. D. Induce senescence. The correct answer is C. Cytokinins are known for their role in stimulating cell division and promoting overall plant growth. Which of the following plant growth regulators is primarily responsible for phototropism and root development in plants? A. Cytokinins. B. Auxins. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellins. The correct answer is B. Auxins are hormones responsible for phototropism, promoting growth towards light, and root development in plants. What is the process by which plants lose water vapor through small openings in their leaves called? A. Transpiration. B. Absorption. C. Photosynthesis. D. Circulation. The correct answer is A. Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water vapor through small openings in their leaves called stomata. Which of the following plant growth regulators is responsible for promoting cell division and shoot growth in plants? A. Abscisic acid. B. Auxin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellins. The correct answer is B. Auxin is a plant growth regulator responsible for promoting cell division and elongation, as well as shoot growth. Where does the Calvin cycle, or light-independent stage of photosynthesis, take place in plants? A. Stroma of chloroplasts. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Granum. D. Outer membrane of chloroplasts. The correct answer is A. The Calvin cycle, also known as the light-independent stage of photosynthesis, takes place in the stroma of chloroplasts. What is the primary function of abscisic acid, Aber, in plants? A. Promotes cell elongation. B. Inhibits seed germination. C. Promotes flowering. D. Stimulates root growth. The correct answer is B. The answer is B. Abscisic acid, or Aber, is a plant growth regulator. It mainly inhibits seed germination, and it regulates responses to environmental stresses, like drought. Which plant growth regulator opens and closes stomata in response to environmental signals? A. Cytokinins. B. Gibberellins. C. Ethylene. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is D. Abscisic acid, or Aber, is responsible for opening and closing stomata in response to environmental signals, particularly drought stress. What is the primary function of phloem in plants? A. Transport of water and minerals. B. Support and structure. C. Transport of sugars and organic nutrients. D. Photosynthesis. The correct answer is C. Phloem in plants transports organic nutrients, primarily sugars, from photosynthetic tissues to other parts of the plant. Where does the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis take place in plants? A. Stroma of chloroplasts. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Granum. D. Outer membrane of chloroplasts. The correct answer is B. The light-dependent stage of photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplasts. What's the process plants use to absorb water through their roots and move it to the rest of the plant? A. Transpiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Phloem transport. D. Xylem transport. The correct answer is D. Xylem transport is the process by which water and minerals are transported in plants from the roots to the shoots and leaves. Which mineral nutrient is important for the formation of strong cell walls in plants? A. Nitrogen. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is C. Calcium plays a vital role in forming strong plant cell walls, helping maintain cell structure and integrity. Which plant growth regulator controls seed germination and bud dormancy? A. Gibberellins. B. Auxins. C. Cytokinins. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is A. Gibberellins are plant hormones that promote seed germination and bud dormancy breaking. What is the main function of auxins in plants? A. Promote cell elongation. B. Control seed germination. C. Regulate stomatal opening. D. Inhibit fruit ripening. The correct answer is A. Auxins are plant hormones that primarily promote cell elongation, influencing growth patterns in response to light and gravity. What is the term for the vascular tissue responsible for transporting sugars, amino acids, and other organic compounds in plants? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Epidermis. D. Cambium. The correct answer is B. Phloem is the vascular tissue that transports organic compounds, such as sugars, produced during photosynthesis, from sources to sinks in plants. Which mineral nutrient is essential for nitrogen metabolism, enzyme activation, and energy transfer in plants? A. Iron. B. Manganese. C. Zinc. D. Copper. The correct answer is A. Iron is essential for various metabolic processes in plants, including nitrogen metabolism, enzyme activation, and energy transfer through electron transport chains. What is the primary function of cytokinins in plant growth and development? A. Promote cell division. B. Inhibit fruit ripening. C. Control leaf abscission. D. Enhance root growth. The correct answer is A. Cytokinins are plant hormones that primarily promote cell division, stimulating growth and development in various plant tissues. Which plant growth regulator promotes leaf abscission in deciduous trees? A. Auxins. B. Abscisic acid. C. Gibberellins. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is D. Ethylene is the plant growth regulator responsible for promoting leaf abscission in deciduous trees, signaling the shedding of leaves in preparation for winter. What is the role of auxins in phototropism in plants? A. Promoting cell elongation. B. Regulating lateral root formation. C. Controlling stomatal opening and closing. D. Inhibiting seed germination. The correct answer is A. Auxins promote cell elongation, which helps plants grow towards a light source in phototropism. Which plant growth regulator handles stress responses like drought, extreme temperatures, and salinity? A. Gibberellins. B. Abscisic acid. C. Cytokinins. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is B. Abscisic acid is involved in regulating responses to stress factors like drought, extreme temperatures, and salinity in plants. Which plant growth regulator promotes cell division and differentiation in the vascular cambium, leading to secondary growth in plants? A. Auxins. B. Cytokinins. C. Gibberellins. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is B. Cytokinins promote cell division and differentiation, particularly in the vascular cambium, contributing to secondary growth in plants. What is the primary function of phosphorus in plant nutrition? A. Enhancing photosynthesis. B. Promoting root development. C. Activating enzymes. D. Regulating stomatal opening. The correct answer is C. Phosphorus is essential for activating many enzymes involved in various metabolic pathways within plants. How do plants regulate the opening and closing of stomata to control water loss and gas exchange? A. Through the action of auxins. B. By manipulating gibberellin levels. C. By responding to ethylene signals. D. By changes in abscisic acid concentrations. The correct answer is D. Plants regulate the opening and closing of stomata in response to environmental signals, particularly changes in abscisic acid concentrations, to control water loss and gas exchange. What is the process by which water moves from the roots to the leaves of plants and is released as vapor into the atmosphere? A. Transpiration. B. Absorption. C. Photosynthesis. D. Mineralization. The correct answer is A. Transpiration is the process by which water is absorbed by plant roots, then moves up through the plant, reaching the leaves where it evaporates into the atmosphere. Which mineral nutrient is crucial for activating enzymes in photosynthesis, respiration, and nitrogen metabolism in plants? A. Calcium. B. Magnesium. C. Potassium. D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is B. Magnesium plays a crucial role in activating enzymes involved in various metabolic processes within plants, including photosynthesis, respiration, and nitrogen metabolism. Where does photosynthesis primarily occur in plant cells? A. Chloroplasts. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Vacuoles. The correct answer is A. Photosynthesis primarily occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells, where light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose. What is the primary function of cytokinins in plant growth and development? A. Promoting lateral root formation. B. Enhancing fruit ripening. C. Stimulating cell division and differentiation. D. Regulating responses to stress factors. The correct answer is C. Cytokinins primarily function in stimulating cell division and differentiation in plants, leading to growth and development processes.